what we made in our social science class. We made parallels. Parallels are the set of circles drawn on the surface of the globe. These circles run from east to west. So, as you can see, the earth is divided into two equal parts, the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. And the line midway between these both hemispheres is called the equator. And do you know that the equator is the longest parallel? Other than the equator, there are four important parallels. These are: first, the Tropic of Cancer, which lies in the northern hemisphere. Second comes the Tropic of Capricorn, which lies in the southern hemisphere. And then comes the Arctic Circle, which is in the northern hemisphere and is of 66.5 degrees north. Then it lies the Antarctic Circle, which lies in the southern hemisphere and is of 66.5 degrees. So as you can see, there are 90 parallels in the northern hemisphere and 90 parallels in the southern hemisphere. And including the equator, there are 181 parallels